Welcome to the Nural Sales app tutorial series. In this series, we'll guide you step by step through the various features and modules of the Nural Sales application. Let's get started. Welcome to the installation and login guide for the Nural Sales application. Begin by opening the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type the name of the app, Nural Sales. Once you locate the app, tap on Install. Wait for the installation to complete. This process may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. After installation, tap Open to launch the application. When prompted, give all the required permissions to ensure smooth operation of the app. On the Access Key screen, enter the access key provided. Click on Submit. Then, on the Login screen, enter your username. Next, type in your password. If you do not have an account yet, please contact your supervisor to get registered. After entering your credentials, tap the Login button. Once logged in successfully, you will be directed to the main dashboard, where you can start managing your daily sales activities. That's it. You've successfully installed and logged in to the Nural Sales application. Thank you for using our app.